Hey everyone, I am Arshita and you are watching Karate Culture English. Please subscribe, like, and share my channel so I will be motivated for creating technical videos like this. So started. Today I will continue our generative AI series, and in this video I will tell you how to create a chainlit application. So we will take a demo. Firstly, you have to open this in a terminal. Then pip install chainlit. After that you can run chainlit in it. So it is initializing all the files, and we have to get one readme. Here are files. Chainlit. Run. Yeah, we have this. So I have to go down, and we have chatbot. We can name it to chainlit. Now we can close it, and I will show you the chainlit documentation. So I will go here and browse chainlit. In the pure Python, we have this. So here we have written app.py. So I will simply write app.py. We are just following the instructions that are given. Then we will copy this code and paste it here. Now I will go to my terminal and paste this code. Now I will explain you whenever it will run. So we have initialized our chainlit application. Then we are saying that if any message comes, then do this function, and this function we are sending receive colon the message contents. You can write your logic here. So this is how your chainlit application look like. This is title that we have given there. Here we have chainlit.md. So for editing this, we can go here and write hash this is CTAE. Now I will refresh it and see that we have this CEAT, and they can contact with it. Suppose I write hi, then received hi. This is how you can receive your stream chainlit. So that's it guys, this is our video. I hope you like this video. Thank you guys, thanks for watching the video.